Listen, I'm gonna tell you guys, drink water and mind your business. Such powerful words coming from Trinidad soca star Patrice Roberts, who zooms in now to discuss how social media as a music marketing tool works so well on the heels of our viral song, Drink Water and Mind Your Business. Morning, Patrice. Welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Good morning. Good morning.
How are you doing?
I am hydrated.
Yeah.
Hydrated. I mean, I'm blessed to even be alive, especially in this pandemic. I mean, it's been a tough 2 years, I should say.
Yeah.
And now I have a song that is viral and it's doing great. I'm excited.
Yeah, I always say to people, when you did this song, did you even envision it would have been this globally successful?
No, no, to be honest. And I know the song have really great potential.
Yes.
But globally and how fast, I mean, the song has spread. Even on TikTok, it's a trending song. No, I wasn't expecting all of that soon.
Yeah, I gotta tell you, there are many elements that have made this song just a massive hit for me. The song itself is amazing. The video, talk to me, girl. Oh my gosh.
Video, I just wanted to, I wanted people to see like a funny side of me. I mean, a lot of people, they just see me as fierce and always so dressed up. I wanted to show a different side. Mm-hmm. Drink Water and Mind Your Business is definitely a song that has, it surprised me.
Yeah.
And, we've been using this song on slogan for a long time.
Yes.
And to see people like Michelle Williams and Jada Pinkett and those big icons, taking the song and running with it is a big accomplishment for me.
Yeah.
Drink water, basically saying, drink water and mind your business. Focus on what is important to you. Focus on what makes sense to you, and stop investing in other people's business. Mind the business that pays you.
Well, let me tell you.
Yeah.
The video is 100% in everything for me. Everything.
Yes.
It hits it right. You said it. I mean, when you see global stars singing your song on TikTok and doing videos on TikTok, I mean, I freaked out. Did you freak out?
I did. Every post, I would call my team and I would be so excited. I mean, it's just so surreal for me.
Yeah.
This song is making a mark, is making moves. Like, I am so excited. I'm happy. I must say big up to my team.
Mm-hmm.
They work really hard behind the scenes.
Yeah.
Big up to the writer, the producer. The song is amazing.
Yeah. So let's talk a little bit about social media, because COVID has brought its disappointments, but it's brought some great opportunities. And I feel like social media is one of the things that has just made this song blow totally up, because I think that's why you'd have seen the Jada Pinkett and the Michelle Williamses say, hey. So how has social media worked for you as an artist?
Social media have been working really well. My numbers have been climbing on Instagram. I'm 500,000, 5.5 or something.
Ooh.
So I've been really trying to engage and trying to, just create content every single day.
Yeah.
So it's been doing great, especially the TikTok is fairly new to me.
Yeah.
It's a lot of work, but I realize TikTok is the in thing now. So I've been trying my hardest to, connect with fans on TikTok as well. But it's been doing amazing.
Yeah, TikTok is a whole new career, girl. It takes a lot of time.
It's a whole new work. You have to get up and do so much.
Yes, but are you optimistic, Patrice, that COVID shut us down for a bit, but that social media and this song going viral will now present even greater opportunities for you as an artist?
Exactly. COVID. In the beginning of COVID, I was really frustrated. I didn't know what to do. I was stuck.
Mm-hmm.
And here comes COVID.
Mm-hmm.
but it was kind of tough at the beginning, but it worked out to be really positive. I've gotten time to spend. I've gotten time, to spend with my family,
Yes.
my friends. Got a lot of time to reset.
Yeah.
I think if COVID was not here, I wouldn't have songs like Tender and all the other hits I would have done. Anything with Dexter Daps, Afrobeat, and then here comes Drink Water. So it's a blessing.
It's a
A
blessing.
blessing.
It's a
It is.
blessing. Listen, the whole world, when COVID came and there was no Trinidad Carnival, we were like, no.
We're still like that, but you gotta adapt, learn to adapt.
Yeah. So what's gonna happen this year? Any word on what's gonna be happening this year?
They are having like pod event.
Mm-hmm.
So vaccinated people, they get to go in this little pod and party,
Oh.
which is very weird for me. I usually have my event Strength of a Woman, and I've decided with my team that we are not going to do it again this year because it's too short notice.
Yes.
For me, I rather wait because I don't want to rush. I want to create something great. I want to enjoy it. I want to have all my designs, my backgrounds, the band. I want everything to be well equipped and prepared, and I couldn't do that. So I decided to wait for next year.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, listen, Patrice, every time you put something out, man, it's powerful. We
Thank you.
have fun. You're a star. Looking forward to hearing so much more. And drinking
man.
water and mind my
And
business.
minding my business. That's all I do. Drink water and mind my business. Minding the business that pays me.
Yeah. We've seen some great collaborations when you team up with Michelle, you team up with Bungie. Can we look forward to any more of that happening this year?
Of course, the sky's the limit for the brand.
Mm-hmm.
I just want to take soca music or music in general, just globally or wherever, however, whenever,
Yes.
however I can,
Yes.
Working on the album very soon.
Yes.
That is also in the making. Taking Strength of a Woman throughout the world, so that the world can see and know who Patrice Roberts is and what Patrice Roberts stands for.
Listen, the world is already seeing it, Patrice. The door is wide open. Just keep walking through it.
Thank you very much.
Jamaicans love you and your music, and I think Caribbean music is just the best in the world.
Yes.
So,
Thank you.
Looking forward to the album. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Yes. Gonna go get some water, man, in the business. You guys.
Yeah.
All right. Love you, girl. Recording artist.
Thank you very much. Okay, bye.
Patrice Roberts. Guys, go check it out. Up next, a young entrepreneur. She's minding her own business. She shares how she's building her business brand with